Hello, this is Pankaj Kumar Yadav, your English teacher, and we have arrived in the journey lesson number 14. The title is Puppy and I. Puppy and I. Now, just take a read. After that, we'll go for the explanation. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a woman as I went talking. We got walking. We got talking, woman and I. Where are you going to, woman, so early? I said to the woman as she went by. Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met some rabbits as I went walking. We got talking, rabbits and I. Where are you going in your brown fur coats? I said to the rabbits as they went by. Now, see the first page, what's going on there. There is a boy, yes, and he is going up to the hill. There is a boy and he is going up to the hill. So, when he was walking the uphill, then from the opposite direction, some people, some horses were coming. So now, first he met a man. You can see in the picture as well, this picture, he met a man from the opposite direction. It means that the man was going down to the hill and the boy was going up the hill. So he asked the boy asked the man that where are you going? The man answered that he is going to the down for bread. Now, when he was walking up again the hill, a horse came from the opposite direction and the horse was going down. Now, the boy asked the horse, where are you going? The horse answered that he is going to the down and for hay. It means hay, that means food for horse. Now, when he was going up, then again he met a woman coming down, and he asked the woman that where are you going? The woman answered that she is going down for some barley. Barley is grain, yes, and used for making food. Now, after going upward little, then he met some rabbits and he again asked the rabbits that where are you going? The rabbit then answered. So in the next page they are answering. You see that. Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us? No, not I. I met a puppy. I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. So now, when he was going up to the hill, he met rabbits and he again asked the question that where are you going? The rabbit answered that they are going down for oats. Oats is also grain and used for food. Now, again, he was going up the hill and he found that a puppy was going and coming from the same direction. It means that puppy was going up the hill. Then he asked the puppy that where are you going? Then puppy answered that I am going up the hill for playing. So the boy accompanied with the puppy and they both went up the hill for playing and for enjoying. So this is the story. You must memorize it, the summary of this story, the explanation of this story, and just watch again and again, listen again and again so that you can learn a lot. Yes, if interesting, like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.